Hi guys, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. USB flash drives, pen drives, and thumb drives can easily get corrupted or result in device failure due to a virus attack, file system corruption, hardware malfunction, improper shutdown, and more. When that happens, you need to repair the corrupted USB flash drive or pen drive to make the device work normally again. Today, we will discuss 3 solutions to fix corrupted USB flash drives on Windows computers, and 2 extra USB data recovery tips that you can apply to easily repair logically damaged USB drives without losing data. The first solution you should try is applying the Windows built-in disk error checking utility. After connecting your USB drive to the PC, open this PC from the desktop. You'll see the corrupted USB drive in File Explorer under the Devices and Drives section. Now, right-click the USB and choose Properties. Then, go to Tools and click the Check button under Error Checking. Select Scan and Repair Drive and continue to follow the wizard interface. It will prompt you to automatically fix disk errors if any error is detected. The second solution is to use the Check Disk utility with command lines and command prompt. First, you should type in cmd or command prompt in Windows search bar and run this utility as administrator. When the command prompt window appears, type in the check disk command, and you can stop the video to check the command carefully. You should replace the letter East with your USB drive letter. The F command will attempt to fix any errors on the disk. The X command will force the USB drive to be dismounted before initiating the scan. The R command will scan for and attempt recovery of bad sectors. After entering the command line, press the Enter key to run the command, and wait for it. Sometimes, reinstalling the USB driver can also help solve the USB corruption issue as well, and this should be the third solution you can try. To uninstall drivers on Windows, you can right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Find and click Disk Drivers. Right-click your USB drive and choose Uninstall Device. After uninstalling the USB driver, remove your USB and restart your PC or laptop. Then, reconnect the USB to see if it works. If you have lost important files on the corrupted USB drive, are there any possible ways to get them back? Yes, you should try professional USB data recovery software. We highly recommend EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. You can go to the EaseUS official website for basic information about this recovery tool and download it. It supports USB pen drives, flash drives, and other removable storage devices from all major brands including Sony, Transcend, SanDisk, Kingston, Apacer, Panasonic, PQI, Toshiba, Superflash, and Redata. After installing the software, you can follow simple steps to recover data from your USB drive. On the home page, choose SD card from the sidebar and choose the USB drive where you lost important files. Click Scan for lost data to start. No matter during the scanning or the process is finished, you can quickly locate a specific type of file by using the filter feature as well as the search option. Double-clicking wanted files will bring up the preview window. You can click Recover to restore them. You shall save the found files to a safe location on your PC rather than to your USB drive. If your USB drive is physically damaged or you encounter serious disk errors, what should you do? Visit the EaseUS official website and enter the Data Recovery Services page. Then, click Request a free consultation. You can get online help there. It's recommended to ask professionals to repair a damaged USB flash drive and recover data from it. You can contact EaseUS Data Recovery Services to get free online help. Data recovery experts will help you diagnose the problem, and if you need to order a data recovery service, they will offer a reasonable price. Hope this video have helped you repair your damaged USB. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the EaseUS channel to get more content videos in the future.